Hey everyone! In this video, we'll explore how Ezurio and Kynetics join forces to deliver a unified platform for next-generation products. The Nitrogen95 Smart Module is Ezurio's latest system-on-module, built on NXP's IMX95 processor. It delivers high performance, advanced graphics, and AI acceleration with the industrial reliability needed for embedded products. With rich interface selection, flexible configuration, and long-term availability, the Nitrogen95 is a solid foundation for your next-generation product, making it easy to connect sensors and additional hardware. To extend its capabilities even further, Kynetics provides the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit. The Embedded Android Developer Toolkit brings together everything developers need to run and build on Android with the Nitrogen95. It combines three key components: a fully integrated Android operating system, the embedded SDK, and OTA capabilities for device management. The Android operating system in the Developer Toolkit is fully featured and carefully optimized for the Nitrogen95 and other supported hardware. Unlike generic evaluation images, it is made for active development, delivering the full experience of embedded Android. From bootloader and kernel to user space, everything is integrated to provide a stable and unified platform for your applications. This allows developers to guide hardware choices and boost productivity by focusing on the application layer. The embedded SDK in the Developer Toolkit gives developers direct control over the Nitrogen95 hardware. Unlike the standard Android SDK, which hides most low-level details, this SDK opens access to critical interfaces such as GPIO, I2C, PWM, SPI, RS-232, RS-485, and the CAN bus, directly from your Android code. With built-in test apps and sample code, developers can quickly explore and interact with the hardware. This makes it possible for any Android developer to step into embedded development, combining high-level application logic with low-level hardware features in a simple and powerful way. Update Factory brings secure over-the-air updates and remote management to your devices. Once connected, you can monitor status, resolve issues, and deliver new apps or full system images across your fleet with a single push. Every device stays consistent, reliable, and up-to-date. Together, the Nitrogen95 and the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit give you everything you need to develop faster, integrate easier, and build reliable, future-ready products. Thank you for joining us.